言葉なんかじゃ何一つ叶わない分かってるんだ順は街にどこまでも羽ばたけたらないつの日も夢見てたそれでも一歩
So hey guys, what's up? Welcome to our channel Raging Anime. So today we have come with the Death Note content. If you want more Death Note content in our channel, then state right in the comment box. And our today's topic is about Death Note 10 rules you should know. So without wasting our time, let's get started. The number of pages of the Death Note will never run out. So Death Note pages cannot be run out how harder you try. If you write thousands of names too in it, so a Death Note owner can write infinite names in the Death Note. So basically Death Note is a never-ending book. It is useless trying to erase names written in the Death Note with erasers or whiteout. Once a name is written in the Death Note, all you can do is manipulate someone's death. There is no way to avoid it, no way to overcome it. The Death Note cannot be stopped. There's no way to prevent these deaths. Even if you are trying to erase these names with erasers or whiteout, this is useless. A god of death cannot be killed even if stabbed in his heart with a knife or shot in the head with a gun. However, there are ways to kill a god of death which are generally not known to the god of deaths. Killing a god of death is really hard to consider because the god of death has no effect on him of gunfire, no effect of knife stabbing, but there are ways to kill a god of death which is generally not known to them. Till now in the Death Note says we only know one way to kill a god of death, that is if a Shinigami decides to use a Death Note to end the life of the killer of an individual he favors, the individual lives will be extended but the Shinigami will die. The instrument to write with can be anything, examples cosmetic, blood, etc. as long as it can write directly onto the note and remain as legible letters. The instrument which you are using to write in the Death Note can be anything. A Death Note user can write the names of the person in the Death Note by anything such as blood, cosmetic, paint, etc. as long as it can be legible to write. Light has used this rule to kill Higuchi by a needle and his blood and also tried to kill Nier with his blood and pen but failed. The god of death must at least own one Death Note and that Death Note must never be lent to or written by a human. So a god of death must at least own one Death Note and that Death Note must never be written by a human, never lent to a human. In the Death Note series, Ryuk has its own notebook with him and he had never given his notebook to Light. Ram too has his own notebook, but by killing Ryuzaki and Watari to save Misa, she died. Suicide is a valid cause of death. Basically, all humans are thought to possess the possibility to commit suicide. It is therefore not something unbelievable to think of. Suicide is a valid cause of death, so a Death Note owner without any hesitation can write the cause of death suicide. The person will commit suicide. It is not so unbelievable as humans has a thought process how to commit suicide. If a Death Note owner accidentally misspells a person's name 4 times, that person will be free from being killed by the Death Note. However, if they intentionally misspell the person's name 4 times, the Death Note owner will die. If a Death Note owner accidentally misspells a person's name 4 times, they will make their victim Death Note proof. Means they will be free from being killed by the Death Note. Unfortunately, it is never been cleared or confirmed whether or not every Death Note or just the particular one where their name is misspelled, and if for some weird reason the Death Note user purposely misspells a person's name 4 times, the Death Note user will die. It is very difficult to consider that a god of death who has possessed a human could die. But if he should die, the Death Note that you brought into the human world will not lose its power. It is really hard to consider that a god of death who possessed a human could die, because a god of death has no effect of knife stabbing on him, no effect of gunfire on him, and they also don't generally know how to kill themselves, and also if they die, the brought Death Note in the human world will have the same effect as before. You will lose the memory of the Death Note when losing its ownership. But you can regain this memory by either obtaining the ownership once again or by touching the Death Note. This can be done up to 6 times per Death Note. A Death Note owner will lose the memory of the Death Note by losing its ownership, but he can regain this memory by simply touching it or by obtaining the ownership once again. This can be done up to 6 times per Death Note. If the times exceeded up to 6 times, the person's memory of the Death Note will not return and they will have to use it without any previous memory of it. In the Death Note series, Light removes his own memory by forgiving the ownership of the Death Note to cast suspicion away from him. Eventually reclaiming his notebook will resume his activity, but this cycle you can do up to 6 times. The 7th time, when regaining the ownership, previous memory of the Death Note will be erased. The human who uses this note can neither go to heaven nor hell. So a human who uses Death Note shall neither go to heaven nor hell. There has been a lot of theories came out that Light has become Shinigami after he died, although it is not have been clear or confirmed yet that Light has become Shinigami by the writer of the Death Note, but this rule leaves a lot of mystery behind. So that's all for now. Hope you like our video, then give a thumbs up to our video and subscribe our channel and share this video. And if you want more Death Note content in our channel, then make sure to comment it and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our channel. So stay safe, stay healthy, goodbye.